There's a restaurant in South Beach. It's called Mushi Mushi. Have you ever heard of it? Nice little sushi restaurant, right? And we had agreed we really wanted sushi that night, okay? We're walking to Mushi Mushi. All of a sudden, a former student of mine is standing in front of the restaurant next door, which he just opened, called Ciao Bella. He said, would you guys like me to buy you dinner? Because we're just doing our shakeout for the restaurant. And we looked at each other, and you know what we said? What was Mushi Mushi again? Why did we think of going there? Free dinner. It was great. We go there all the time now, right? It was a fortuitous accident. But if you don't bring yourself to fortuitous accidents, you end up in the same rut, right? Again, I wasn't planning on Italian food. I was planning on sushi. It wasn't a disappointment. It was a delight. It's called a surprise. Right? So don't misrepresent. What am I talking about? Now, another important issue. Brokers as regulated, please pay attention to this. A regulated broker may not sell chances or mislead the public that they're going to get something if they pay for it. But an owner-developer may run a lottery. So again, a lottery is a fraud for a regulated broker selling chances to induce someone to buy real property. Developers, because they're unregulated, may do this. Brokers may not. Brokers may offer lotteries where they give chances, don't sell them.
Is that similar to timeshares?
Timeshare are condominiums that are broken into segments. Let's not talk about timeshare lottery.
No, it'll give you a free vacation to come on in, that's what I'm asking.
It's not a free vacation.
No.
It ain't a free. You know, I learned something a long time ago, and I hope you can respect this also. The only people who ever offered me anything for free were my mommy and my daddy.
You just got a free dinner, and that wasn't your parents.
No,
I mean,
wasn't
really?
free. Wasn't free. The expectation is that I would bring all my business associates there, which I gladly do.
And you left a nice gratuity for the wait staff.
If you don't leave a nice gratuity for the wait staff, you're going to get vile food, lousy service, etc., etc.
The next time you go back.
They add, you know, they stopped adding the tip on for me because they know I tip more than required. Hey, everyone where I go knows me and wants me to sit at their tables. And the reason is I over-tip. Do I get great service or what? Oh yeah. And frankly, I don't go to places that don't know me. It's so easy. So easy. Now again, false and misleading advertising is not tolerated. Again, in our advertising, we must be truthful. When that licensee said, would you consider anything else, they were okay. If that property was not available that they were advertising and wasn't available at the time they ran the ad, could be a problem for them. That's fraud. Now again, brokers are considered experts. And again, I stand there here like that guy, okay? You're the only people who listen to me. My son thinks I'm an idiot. My former wife knows I'm an idiot. But you guys think I actually know what I'm talking about. How wonderful. That's why I come here every day. Again, opinions are not facts. But again, when an opinion of title is given, it is a legal opinion. And legal opinions can only be done by attorneys after doing a title search. So I may repeat an opinion of title by an attorney, but if they ask me if it's marketable, I say, I don't know. But again, I've done my search. I had my title company take a look at this, and it looks like it's marketable, but I can get my title company to examine the abstract, and for a fee, they will render an opinion of title. Or, I would highly suggest in the state of Florida, with all our fraud, you obtain title insurance. again, if I were to render an opinion that was trusted and relied upon in which I did not have the expertise and something bad happened, it would just become a breach of trust. But again, that breach of trust can lead to charges of fraud if a party is damaged. If a party is damaged, then it could lead to fraud. You cannot sue someone for being wrong. You have to be sued. You can only sue someone if you are wrong, and it costs. Now again, the sales associate in law is an agent of the one employing brokerage in the state of Florida. Now again, in law in the state of Florida, we are your employers, right? And you are employees, we take full responsibility. But again, you are considered independent contractors in federal law, meaning we cannot hold you to stay with us, etc., etc. And we are free to ask you to get the heck out. You are free to leave at any time unless you're contractually obligated. So sales associates do come and go. But if they are going, they must file a change of status and notify the people within 10 business days of the change. But again, because they have an agency relationship with their employing broker, they are not allowed to leave the broker and take proprietary information from the broker with them. Again, the customers, the client, the principal belong to the broker, not the sales associate. The sales associate is an agent of the broker. All the files belong to the former broker. So now, do a midnight raid. Don't turn in, get your copy of the key and give the original key to the broker and say, I don't have access anymore. And you sneak in and take copies.